Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you everything I know about the pomme soufflé. The pomme soufflé is a delicious potato chip that is very airy and it's quite beautiful as well. It can come in any shape and any size, and it might be tricky, but I'm sure that after watching this video you get a perfect result every time. So, let's begin.
First, peel one potato. I use a waxy potato, and the bigger the better. This way you can make bigger pomme soufflés and you'll have less waste. Now slice the potato in thin slices that are around 1 mm thin. You can do this on a mandolin or on a slicing machine. Beware that the blade is even and not crooked, otherwise the potato will not soufflé. Just apply a light pressure for the best result. Now lay the potato slices in 2 rows opposite on your worktop. Do this so when you place them on top of each other they will fit perfectly. Then dust a thin layer of potato starch on top of the top row. I've also tried it with normal flour or cornstarch, but this doesn't work as well as with potato starch. Now use a brush to remove any excess starch. If you need to, repeat it 2 or 3 times. Just be sure it's super tight. You can keep the remaining potato starch for next time. After that, use another brush to add a thin layer of egg white on the bottom row. Then transfer the bottom slice on top of the top slice with the egg white side facing the potato starch side. Just lay it on top and leave it be. Don't press it down, otherwise it will not soufflé as good as it could be. Then cut it with a cutter. This can be round, square, star-shaped, any shape or size is possible. Round ones are the easiest. The more corners, the more difficult it will get. Then remove the excess potato and use a palette knife to ensure the layers stay on top of each other. Once that's done, transfer the potato on the side of a tray or a plate. This will make the deep frying a lot easier. Now transfer a couple of the slices in some frying oil that's 170 degrees Celsius, and once they start to float, directly baste them with the hot oil. This will help them soufflé 100% and give them a nice and even color. Once they stop to bubble, take them out of the oil and transfer them on some kitchen paper. You can deep fry as many as you like. The more you do, the harder it gets. Just begin with 3 to 5 and build it up when you become more comfortable. After that, season them with salt and give them a little more heat to ensure all the moisture is gone. If you don't do this, it's possible they will deflate. Now they're ready to be served. You can serve them like this, but I also love covering them with some herb powder or any other powder. It's then great to use as a little garnish or as a base of an amuse. Here I fill it with Jerusalem artichoke cream and decorate it with trout eggs, ginger gel and a stearinlium leaf.
Okay guys, I hope you've learned something and that you find the tips and tricks useful. Like I said, pomme soufflé is very difficult. Practice really makes perfect. Just take it step by step, do 1 potato at a time. Don't put the whole bench full with potato slices because it's gonna make it a lot more difficult. Just take it step by step. Also with frying, just fry like 3 or 4 at a time, and once you get familiar with it, bring it up to 10, 15, 20, then it can really become a competition, which is super fun. It's a beautiful crisp. It's great for a little amuse. It's great to put it on a plate because I think it looks beautiful. You can cut them in different shapes, different sizes. I think, like last Christmas, I made a Christmas tree of pomme soufflé, super fun. And I can't wait to see what you guys will make. So, like and share the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to support my channel, almost at 100,000 subs. Can't believe it, really grateful for all your support. And as always, bon appétit.